I'm so afraid of losing my data. If that's from photos from when me and my wife just met to having our first child, even documents like a resume that I spent years on, or even videos of vacations we went into. But I'm even more afraid of losing my crypto wallet with having money on it. So if I could have just one system that allows me to really recover any kind of data from a system crash, then I'm going to be in good shape. And so I'm going to give you 5 of the best data recovery softwares that you can use today and really protect all of your data. Let's get into it. So I'm going to be going over the top 5 data tools, and they're going to be based off of performance, features, usability, and the tools are going to be really focused on success rate, scanning capabilities, and just really ease of use. And so I want to make sure that they have a high success rate for recovery. I want to make sure they work on all the different types of storage devices. If that's USB, if that's SD cards, we have HDD, we have SSD. There's so many different types of storage devices. So I want to make sure that they work on every single type of storage device. And they should be easy to use, but they should also have more advanced features for those ones that are really above, really, they should handle all ranges from beginners to experts essentially. And so, and do they have a freemium plan where you're able to recover up to a limit, or are they completely paid for? So we're going to go over all of those. And one of my favorite tools I'm going to go over here in a moment that I actually did pay for the upgrade, or I do have an upgrade account. But I've used all of these, and I'm going to go over exactly each of them one by one. They're not in any particular order, but if you wait till the end, I'm going to tell you my main one that I use pretty much for all my business needs. So let's actually get into it right now. So the first one is Stellar. This company has been around for 30 years. They have amazing reviews on Trustpilot. I think over 20, maybe 2,000 or 20,000. They're just amazing on what they do. And they just have so many reviews. They have strong performance for recovering videos, photos, documents. They support multiple file types and storage devices. They have a free recovery option available with limited capacity, suitable for beginners and professional users. And they have a reliable brand, really to say the least. I mean, they're pretty well known, Stellar. And you can see that look at 2,000 reviews through Trustpilot, very credible software. And just you can get a free trial right now. It is really easy to set it up. You download it, install it, and you're able to really get use of it right away. So definitely one of my favorite ones. Number 4 on the list is Disk Drill. Supports over 400 file types, which is insane. They pretty much have the biggest collection, I think, of file formats that they can recover. Quick scan and deep scan modes, which is great for daily scans, or if you want to deep dive once a month. They do have a free recovery up to a limited size, similar to Stellar, which is great. They do have a clean and simple user interface, so it's great for beginners who are really trying to use something very simple. It is capable to or compatible with Windows and Mac, so you know you are in good hands no matter what platform or OS you are using. And it is a balance between usability and performance, which I love. Like I said, they do have the free download, but you can definitely upgrade to the Pro, and they have the Windows version and the Mac. So as you can see, it's just a simple interface that you can use for scanning your devices to make sure you're recovering what you need. Let's get on to number 3 on the list. So you probably heard of these guys before, EaseUS, Data Recovery Wizard. They have a step-by-step recovery process. They are able to recover deleted and formatted or even lost partitions is the word I was looking for. Free recovery tier available, and they just have a fast scanning and strong recovery rate, which is important for recovering those important documents and files. And it's just a beginner friendly thing. So like I said, they do have lots of great reviews, a free trial, or even a paid one. Like I said, they do have a high success rate with 99.7%, which is like amazing for recovery softwares. Is one of the highest. Over 2,000 loyalty partners with over 720 million data recovery users. So it's not been around for longer than some of these companies, but still with 20 years, 22 years of experience, they are well liked within the industry. And that's why they are have 38,000 reviews on Trustpilot. So it's no wonder why you've probably heard of EaseUS Data Recovery. So definitely one of the top ones in the industry. But let's go over the almost the second to last of the 5, and we're going to go over that now. Love them or hate them, this is Wondershare. They have a whole suite of tools for people to use, but it is crazy how many types of files they actually support. Over 8,000 files. They do have a recovery from crash and a formatted drive interface, effective with large files and video recovery. They have a wide device capacity or capabilities from Mac to Windows, and they just have a simple interface. You can see that they have just a simple interface. They do have that free download. It is the first with AI data recovery for your lost data, which is insane. They actually won like a cybersecurity award for data recovery in 2026 this year. So you know that they are really top notch when it comes to the tools that really power the industry. So you can definitely get a free download or upgrade and buy their larger version or their more capable version. But they have over 100 million users, and they've been in the industry just over 1 year longer than the last one. But like I said, they did win that 2026 award. So pretty amazing stuff. And they have a whole slew of different tools. So you definitely want to check this one out. And finally, the last one on the list is our tools by our studios. They have their disk recovery software and hard drive recovery tool, which only $49.99. They have really advanced recovery features, including RAID and network recovery. They do have a deep scanning and file system level recovery and supports complex storage setups. Really, it's designed for advanced users and IT professionals. So if you're looking to have a RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 10, this might be the tool for you because of their setup for more of the IT professional. Like I said, they support 0, 1, 4, 5, and 6, and even 10 or 1 and 0. They do have all sorts of advanced features. So if that's something that you are looking as a IT professional, this tool is going to be the one for you. So the overall pick is Disk Drill. Best for beginners, EaseUS Data Recovery. Best for professionals, obviously, our studios with their really niche in IT. Best for media recovery, definitely that's Stellar. And best all-in-one, Wondershare. They all have their uses, so you definitely want to see what is for you. Some tips I would say, if you need disk recovery, stop using that disk immediately so that you can have a higher success rate. Install the software that is best for you. And in a moment here, I'm going to tell you what I use and show you exactly the tool so that you can know why I chose it, especially what I said in the very beginning of this. Act quickly because you don't want data to be overwritten, and maintain backups using external storage or even a cloud. You want to make sure that this is suitable for you from accidental deletions, formatting drives, or software-related data losses. And it's not really suitable for severe hardware damage or guarantee recovery expectations. So I'm going to actually go over the tool that I use. I'm going to pull it up right now because I think it is by far the best for my needs. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys use, because this tool might be exactly what you need. So this is Stellar. This is a great tool. I find it to be really amazing. They have what to recover, all data, office, emails, audio, phones, and video. You can recovery from your hard drive. They have some other physical drive, desktop, all the different locations, non-boot PC, recovery. You can create a disk image. You can recover from an image, general facts. So lots of great tools here. If you click on next, you can see locate the hard drive, and I can do a deep scan of this. So this is something I definitely use, and you can use too. What I do love is they also have this health, which I check about once a month. And my hard drive usually runs around 100 degrees, and I am completely 100% healthy on my drives because I check regularly with their Stellar Data Recovery Professional. So definitely check it out. This might be the tool for you, but I definitely am a big believer in Stellar. So definitely check out Stellar in the link down below and give it a go, because they do have a free trial. Until next time, guys, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.